Good morning, class. Today we are going to start from here. As in, yesterday I have completed till here. Now I'm going to start the next page, that is page number 36. I hope that you all are doing the reading at home also. As in, so now let's start. He completed the first phase of the project within the set time frame. In fact, some projects of the phase 1 were completed before time. So, what we were discussing yesterday about? We were discussing that for setting up, doing the setting up of the metro in the Delhi, what he has said the three main objectives. The three main objectives which he had said, that is to develop a world-class metro system, to complete the project within the time schedule, and to cause the minimum inconvenience to the public. So by taking these three goals, he started his work and he was able to achieve all three goals and he had set out for himself, and within the time period he was able to complete his work also, or even sometime even before also he used to complete his work. The DMRC diverted all the public utilities in advance to ensure that there was no disruption of water, electricity, sewage and telephone connections during the construction in the area. So DMRC diverted all the public utilities in advance to ensure that. So DMRC, what they have done already in advance, they have ensured them that there was no disruption of water, electricity or the sewage or the telephonic connections during the construction. What happened during the construction in the area where the construction work is going on? So sometimes we have to face this problem, no, that maybe there was a problem of breakdown of electricity or disruption of the water, or because of the sewage system or the telephonic connection. Sometimes the networks, they don't work properly, but before doing all this work they have already ensured the people of that area that they will get all these facilities. Barricades were put up. What's a barricade? Barricade means that is a fence put up. An alternate traffic plan was drawn. An alternate traffic plan was drawn means already they have prepared the alternate plan for that. With the help of the Indian Institute Technology, they have taken the help of the Indian Institute Technology, Delhi and the Delhi Police, for the smooth flow of the traffic, and for the smooth flow of the traffic, so that there should not be any congestion on the road, they have taken the help of the Delhi Police for that. The massive operation of digging, drilling and construction went on behind the barricades without any traffic disruption. So without giving any inconvenience to the public, very comfortably, very easily, they have carried out their task, they have completed their work. The soft-spoken, gentle and kind-hearted Mr. Sridharan is a role model for his 1750 strong workforce, motivating each of them with his dynamism to create a system that is a technological marvel as well as an example of the successful execution. So by nature, Sridharan, he was very soft spoken, very gentle, kind hearted, and with his behavior only he was able to motivate his co-members. Co-members means that is his team members, the person whoever with whom they all are doing the work. So with his spoken words, with his kind heart, he was able to motivate all of them and able to complete the work in the given period of time, to create a system that is a technological marvel as well as an example of the successful execution of the project. He is not only this sought after in other states of the India, but many foreign countries also want to benefit from his experience. Even just he has set the example, isn't that not only in India the some of the companies they used to hire him, even from the other countries also, they also want to take the benefit from his experience. Means they were so much they have got so much impressed with his work that they also want to take the benefit from his experience. Mr. Sridharan has been honored with many national and the international awards. Mr. Sridharan, he was honored by the many national and the international awards. In that, there was including the Padma Shri for his incredible achievement. For his incredible achievement, which award he has got? He got the Padma Shri. The latest in the list is the France's highest award, the Chevalier. So in France, he has got this highest award, and what was the name of that award? That is the Chevalier de l'Ordre National de la Légion d'Honneur. That is Knight of the Legion of Honor. He has been given this prestigious award in recognition of his outstanding commitment to the development of transportation infrastructure in India. For this outstanding commission, he got this award. And his valuable contribution in enhancing the Indo-French relationship, and also he got the highest award from the France forward for enhancing the Indo-French relationship. Mr. Sridharan is an achiever who has proved to the world that India is on the move. India is on the move, and he is India's pride. So with his great achievements, he has proved himself that he is just a role model for the Indians, or you can say that he is the India's pride. So students, that's all about the Mr. A. Sridharan. So what people have to do, kindly please go through the chapter carefully. Okay, as I have already told you that there are so many kinds of short answers can be made from this, and only by reading you'll be able to understand the small things in the chapter which is given. Okay, and if you find that any problem is there, any confusion, then you can ask in the comment option. So thank you and have a good day.